Welcome back to Amy's channel. Because it's second semester senior year, I set my monthly focus for April to be experimenting with different activities. So we are back with another week of trying new things. So basically pretty much since finishing my college art portfolio, I haven't done much art because I feel like I always thought art as this like stressful thing because it takes such a long time to complete an artwork. And I was always stressed about getting it right the first try so I don't waste time. But I'm thinking since I have a lot of time, I want to actually do art and do it slowly and do it the right way. Because I was never trained professionally for paintings. Yeah, so like what I'm feeling like is that I seem like I know how to do art, but in truth, it's just like keep on repeating and keep on like layering on top of it if it doesn't work out. And I feel like that's like not the right way to do it. And I also feel like I blend too much when I paint. And it's so interesting too because I've written an essay about my relationship with acrylic paintings, and I was talking about how everyone can do art because in acrylic paintings you can like keep on layering over and fixing it until you get like the image you have in your mind. But now I want to actually do it the right way, and I'll show you what I'm looking for. I want to do it like in a way where you can see the brush strokes and see the different color blocks and actually get the color right the first time instead of layering over and over. I'm painting on my failed cyanotype canvas, so just upcycling trash here. I just feel like I actually need to learn to fail. Especially like fail in front of other people and fail in front of the camera and everything. So we're doing this. Hey guys, it's been around 3 hours I think. This is my progress. So I think it's definitely better than before. A lot better actually. I think I'll leave it off here because I don't want to draw the hand. Hey guys, it is Tuesday and I just got back home from trying a new workout class at Club Pilates. So I've actually been doing Pilates for the last 2 years, but I was always doing the Legree method, which is like supposed to be harder and like more cardio intensive. So it's crazy that I actually haven't tried regular Pilates at all. So today I went to Club Pilates and I did their 1.5 workout, and that was like really easy. But at the same time, it made me feel really good because usually when I go to the Legree method, I'm always like struggling and like dying and I look horrible during the workout. But today's workout, I was like feeling so good about myself. I think maybe next time I can run from my home to Club Pilates, which is at downtown, and then I can like have coffee or something and then run back home, which would be really nice. Hey guys, today we actually did it. We ran from home to Club Pilates, did Pilates, and then came home running back. So I really want to get abs before summer starts, and I also really want arm muscles, which is a work in progress. And today I also started reading a new book called Damien, and it's been really good. Hey guys, we are back on Wednesday today, and today we're visiting a new museum. So we're going to SF, and we're first gonna go to brunch. It's called Sweet Maple, which is a place I've been to before, but I can't really remember, so I'm gonna count it as a new thing. We are here. This is like the Golden Gate Park.
Stunning light has trained my face, makes me miss out what you say. For a word I lie, I swear it's true. Why you staring at the floor? Makes me worry for a reply. Know you ain't said pardon me this life.
Hello guys, today is Thursday already, which is crazy. But today I went to WeWork and I was working on a personal website, which is so cool. I'm like almost done, but I'll show you after I get home. But we are here right now at this like weird like place because I booked red light therapy, which is like supposed to help with my pimples and other stuff. I don't even know. But I thought it was gonna be like a small place, but this place, like, it feels like a clinic or something. I'm like a little scared. But yeah, I'll tell you how it goes after I'm done. Hey guys, we got back home from the red light therapy. It was like interesting. Like, I don't actually feel anything except like the light. It was like hot because I was lying on there and then there was like red light on my back. Also, I couldn't do it face up because I use different gel pretty regularly. So they were saying that it's gonna make my skin too sensitive. So I just had my face down and then like my back facing the light. I think I would do it like a few more times just so like something could happen. So I'll update you guys if anything happens. Okay, now let me show you the website that I was working on. Okay, so this is what the homepage looks like right now. And today I was mainly working on my art and design page. So when you click on it, you can go to my sections of art. And I have some yearbook stuff and science communications. And I also did a little writing page where I put some of my favorite essays. And when you click on YouTube, you can go to my channel. So it is 4:11 right now. And I told my parents that I'm gonna make a dish for them today. So we still need to figure that out. Hey guys, I ran and then I took a shower. So now we have 1 hour to figure out how to cook. Hey guys, we are done already, low-key. It's looking decent, I think. And we're like 10 minutes early. And this is like steamed Napa cabbage with like meat inside. It's like good. So this thing has eggs, beef, cauliflower rice, peas. I think that's it. Oh, and corn. Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday today, and first I'm gonna run to a new place. So I have this like favorite acai bowl place called Stardust, but it's like really far. It's like a 15-minute drive, but today I'm planning to run over there. Hey guys, we have ran 9.2 kilometers. And it was like exactly 1 hour. Today I'm feeling like a little bit tired. And I was like really hungry. I was running past like Safeway and stuff. It smelled really good. But yeah, we have our acai bowl. And the base are coconut, acai, and then passion fruit. Hey guys, we are almost home. And I'm walking right now because it's been so bad. I low-key thought I wasn't gonna make it because my stomach started cramping at around like 12 kilometers. So then I started walking. And after I started walking, like my legs just can't do it anymore. Like my legs were feeling so heavy. But we are almost here. And also it is so hot today. So I'm feeling so like dirty and like everything. Hey guys, we are here at Montalvo with my mom and we're on a picnic, but also we're gonna be, it's like a sketching trip, so we're gonna be sketching like the buildings and stuff.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by an hotel without a thought. To be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want.
Okay, so something else I've been wanting to try are these like shrink film thingies. So basically you can like draw stuff and then you put it in the oven or use a heat gun to like shrink it and make it into buttons or keychains. Also, I think I got the wrong version because the ones I saw online are all like matte and I can draw with like color pencil and stuff, but this one's clear and I have to use a Sharpie, which is like weird. Okay guys, I drew Mark's album, so right now we're gonna do a little hole and then I'm gonna try to use the heat gun because I don't really want to put this into the oven.
You ain't got to know all my feelings turning gray. You should let them know. Thought like that would match your tone.
Okay guys, I think this is it. It's
It's
actually so cute. It's like a little bit wrinkly, but it's my first try, which is like not bad at all. Hey guys, it's Saturday today and I really want to work on an embroidery project. I saw on Pinterest these really cute fabric badges thingy. I'll show you a reference picture. It's like these and these. And I don't think we have nice clothing pins, so I'm just gonna do it on this. Finished. Oh, OMG, it's actually so cute. For example, I can clip it on like this. It's so me. Like, these are my favorite colors, so green and purple. Also, let me show you the shrink paper thingy I did yesterday. So I have it on my pencil case. It's so cute. And it goes with everything else on here too. So on Tuesday, my new thing was that I started a new book called Damien, and I'm actually gonna be done pretty soon. And I feel like it's like the best book that I've read this year because like how much it resonates with me, it's crazy. It's like reading my mind and the questions it was raising, it's like my questions as well. And I was like, oh my god, that's actually crazy. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sunday, our last day, and today I'm gonna start a new sketchbook. So I've actually had like a bunch of sketchbooks in the past, but then I always treat it way too seriously and then I don't end up finishing it at all. I think most of my sketchbooks were only like used for like the first 2 pages and then I mess something up and then I'm like, I can't do this anymore. So I actually found like the cheapest notebook I have and we're gonna treat that as our notebook. And look, I have some notes about guitar in here too. But yeah, we're just gonna treat it as an ugly sketchbook and just like kind of do whatever with it. So I'm gonna start bringing this sketchbook with me to school and stuff, so hopefully I can keep on drawing. So this is it for this week of new things. I'll see you in the next video.
どこにもないからこの想い届きますように